building up in Canada for a long time, and most of Canada's been snow-covered, so this area is extremely cold, and part of that polar vortex, as we call it, that really cold air, the big load of it, come down now into the U.S., and it's sweeping from the Midwest all the way down into the Southeast, where temperatures will actually be plunging in cities like Atlanta as we move through Monday into Monday night. Now, temperatures are already 15 or more below zero across parts of the Great Lakes, and over 20 or more below zero on up into the upper Midwest, with wind chills minus 40 to minus 60. That's dangerous. Be very careful. Try to stay indoors. Wear layers of clothing and keep your face covered, because frostbite, you can get that very, very easily in these conditions. As we move into Tuesday morning, single-digit low temperatures all the way down to Atlanta, Georgia. Temperatures in the low 20s all the way down to New Orleans, Louisiana, and the freezing mark, we'll see those kind of temperatures all the way down to Orlando, Florida. So be very, very careful. Tuesday will be the coldest night of the season by a long shot. In fact, the coldest night in many seasons, maybe 1 or 2 decades for some of you. So prepare for it, dress warmly. One good piece of news, though, this cold will be short-lived. By the time we get to midweek, temperatures will begin to moderate pretty rapidly as we move toward the second half of the week.